Today we're going to be making the viral TikTok blizzard on the KitchenAid. So first, we went to the store, grabbed some Oreos. The key component, obviously ice cream. And you have to put the KitchenAid bowl in here. As you guys can see, it's pretty cold, so you put it on the thing. So we got vanilla ice cream. Oh. All right, let's get the ice cream scooper. So we did 4 ice cream scoops. Now we have to lick the... What's up? What's up? No? So you can put whatever you want. We chose to go with Oreos, the mini Oreos. So you grab a handful and just put it in here. I love Oreos on my ice cream, so gotta put extra or gotta save some for next time if you're craving it again. So you can put those away. Now just push it down. Turn it on.
Lock it.
Lock it.
On here.
This one? Mm-hmm. All right, you lock this KitchenAid. And now you just turn it on.
Do it again too.
I'm scared. Might need more ice cream. Let's give it time. Let's give it time. It's coming out pretty good now. Oh, there you go. Wait. There you go. Oh, look at that. Look at that. It looks so good. Look at that. Oh. Not sanitary. I'm not going to put it back. How do you take this off, babe?
You push it, like push it up, and twist it.
Now, are we gonna grab a spoon? You want to eat it off the thing?
Not really.
Let's do a taste test. Look at that. Look at the amount of Oreos on here.
I'll put it back in there.
Oh my God, it's so good. My wife wanted to do this since Monday is now Thursday, and we just she told me to go get the ice cream, and I did. And now she had seen it on TikTok. I guess it's a trend right now, so we did it, and it's, you know, it comes out very nice, very good. It's very good. This is what we're gonna have for dessert. But yeah, very simple process. You guys can definitely make this at home. Look at this. Now, if you buy one of these at Foster's Freeze, it's gonna cost you like around $7, $8 for one. And we are gonna make maybe what, like 6 or 7 of these with the ingredients that we got from the store. And yeah, I think it's cheaper to make them here at home. But yeah, that was a simple DIY ice blizzard. That's gonna be it for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoy. My wife and I are going to devour this blizzard. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and we're out. Peace.